case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Don Littlejohn filed a complaint against the New York City Administration for Children's Services, alleging racial and sexual harassment, retaliation, and discrimination during her time as director of the agency's Equal Employment Opportunity Office. Littlejohn claimed her supervisor, Amy Baker, discriminated against her by reprimanding her, reducing her responsibilities, and replacing her with a white male colleague at important meetings. Littlejohn also alleged that Baker obstructed her attempts to participate in decision-making during a merger with another agency. Complaints she raised about the agency's lack of anti-discrimination policies, low African American representation in management positions, and payment disparities were allegedly ignored. Defendants moved to dismiss Littlejohn's claims, which the district court granted. Littlejohn then appealed the decision. The United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit upheld the dismissal of certain claims and overturned the judgment on others. The case was remanded for further proceedings aligned with the court's opinion. Littlejohn's new sexual harassment claim was not considered as she hadn't exhausted her administrative remedies under Title VII.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.